Hello, welcome to Travel with Disabilities. With you, Ryan, and Manchester Airport, Terminal 2. Take you through travel day to Gran Canaria. Let's see what today has in store for us. Now, as you can see, I'm in departures, Manchester Airport at Jet 2 point. As you see, they're all the South Trias, but different airlines as well going on. And they run all the way down there. Now if you have an assistance band, you can go to self-assistance, which is exactly where I'm going to now. And good old Brian is gotta wait 15 minutes or whatever to then go through departures to get on behind the pubs, make those memories. Now with the assistance lanes, the fast tracks you, but also they're able to give you wheelchair. They'll be able to walk you to the gates and help you through any process that you need. So if you're unsure on flying or unsure the process, it's certainly worth having, so then you can go through and book it. And it makes the whole airport on a travel day process a lot less stressful, which is perfect when you can have things that are brought on by stress or anxiety, whatever it may be. Yeah, but it'd be a little bit interesting while I'm sat here for 15 minutes. You are able to find and see departures and get a vision of what you could be doing once you get yourselves passported, insured, and go. So, that's security out of the way. Now, it's either duty free or the WH Smith Hampshire. Let's get out of the way of that before I copyright. Cost for coffee, if that tickles you. %40 off. What do you reckon? Airport, with the assisted travel that they can take you, walk you to and from the plane. They also have a dedicated little area for you to be able to sit. You're booking with them, and then they come and pick you up when your plane comes. On board up there, look. It's just like this one behind me. actually in the beginning. All the way down to the aircraft. Happy days. Say feeling.